In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Jotform account, whether you've decided to move on to another platform or you're just looking to reduce your digital footprint. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and easy to follow. First, we'll begin by logging into your Jotform account. If you're already familiar with this process and are already logged in, that's great, you can skip this step. But for those who need a refresher, head over to the Jotform website in your preferred web browser. Once there, locate the login section at the top right corner of the page. Here, enter your registered email address along with your password and hit the login button. If you've set up two-factor authentication for added security, make sure to complete that step as well, and just like that, you're into your account. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to your account settings. This is your control center for all account-specific configurations. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see a silhouette or an avatar icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on Settings to head over to the Account Settings page. And here you are, standing at the threshold of making some significant changes. Next, you need to scroll down the page until you find the option labeled Delete My Account. It's generally located towards the bottom, so keep scrolling until it appears. This is the part where you'll make the decision to part ways with your Jotform account, so be sure it's what you really want to do. You might find some helpful hints or details on this page that jog your memory about some aspect of your account you wanted to save or revisit, so take a moment to think it through. Once you're ready, go ahead and click on Delete My Account. Jotform will ask you to confirm your decision. It's a standard security step to ensure no accidental deletions take place. Here, you'll be required to re-enter your password one final time to verify your identity. Type in your password carefully, making sure there are no errors that could prevent the process from completing smoothly. With your password entered and verified, the last step is seamless and quiet. Your Jotform account is deleted permanently. You won't be able to recover it, so be sure you've downloaded any important data or files you might need later. Take a moment to reflect on any business processes or personal workflows that might have relied on Jotform, and ensure you have alternative methods in place if necessary. And there you have it, your Jotform account removed efficiently and smoothly. If you have any further questions,